Signs of hypothermia. Loss of body heat is the greatest danger to human survival in the sea. Body heat lowers in water much faster than in the air, and even relatively warm seas can dangerously lower body temperature. A fall in the internal core body temperature, measured in the colon, below 35 degrees Celsius causes a disorder, hypothermia. As the temperature continues to drop, signs of fatigue, dullness, pain, impaired speech and mental confusion begin to appear. There is a difference between wet and dry cooling. The first occurs after being in cold water and the second occurs after being exposed to cold on land. The organism enters the hypothermia gradually. There are two stages of hypothermia: lighter, when the person is in hypothermia but conscious; severe, when the person is in hypothermia and unconscious initially, with a fall in body temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Shivering occurs, but not always, thereby losing a large amount of heat. The skin becomes cold, pale and dry. A fall in body temperature below 32 degrees Celsius causes all the processes in the body to slow down. Fatigue, an overwhelming desire for sleep and hallucinations appear. All physical and mental functions have been reduced and slowed down. When loss of consciousness occurs, heart rate and breathing become slower. If adequate help is not provided at this stage, hypothermia causes death due to respiratory failure and cardiac function. Full body cooling slows down the metabolism, so a hypothermic person in an apparent death is more likely to be resuscitated than other victims who are in clinical death for other reasons.